Hello guys! Today we will cook pork adobo. Okay, na-marinate ko na yan. Lagyan ko ng vinegar, ginger, mayroon na ring ginger yan, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Ang ingredient niya is ginger, garlic, bay leaves, sibuyas, alright, onions, and pepper. Now we will put olive oil. I-fry na muna natin yung mga bawang. Okay. So first, let's put the garlic. Okay. Ayan. Then natin maging brown ng konti. Alright. Okay. Golden brown na yung ating bawang. Susunod natin nilalagay is yung onions. Alright. Onion and also the ginger. Meron natin. And ilagay na rin natin yung unground paminta. Alright. So, susutin natin ng kaunti yan and then we will put the meat. Alright. So, dan na ilagay natin yung medium heat. And then, okay, I think we will put the meat. I-fry natin. Gawin natin maging golden brown din para masarap ang kanyang lasa. Ayan. Okay. Lagyan na natin lahat. Okay. And we will cover it for about 5 minutes and then stir it. Alright? So, ayan. Okay. Okay. Ngayon, kukuberan ko ngayon. Ayan. 5 minutes. Okay, dadagdagan natin ng 2 cups of water para hindi matuyuan. Alright. So, that's 1 cup. And then, another cup. Okay, ngayon, hintayin natin kukulo hanggang sa lalapot ang kanyang sabaw. Kaya it's time to put the bay leaves. Alright. And then let's cover it for 10 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, yung 15 minutes kanina, it's not enough. So after 30 minutes, I added 15 minutes. Ayan ang ating after 30 minutes. So ang lalagyan natin hard-boiled egg para merong extra taste.
Remember to like and subscribe, by the way.
Yeah, remember, my son said, remember to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
So, yeah, yan. And then, okay, it's almost done. So, let's cover it. And 5 minutes, that's it. Ito na ang ating finished product. Kaya pwede na tayong kumain. Alright? So, ayan, lalagyan natin ng ayan, at saka isang itlog dyan. Alright, over the rice. And that's it. Sarap nito. Okay, kain na. Guys, hell yan. Kababayan. Okay, thank you for watching. And make sure like and subscribe para you will be notified kung meron akong sa next time na magluluto ulit ako. Okay, di ba ang sarap? Okay, let's eat.